Unlocking entrepreneurial success holds a timeless allure. While the trappings of achievement shimmer enticingly, the journey demands resilience, adaptability, and an innovative mindset. Today, we're diving into the secrets behind resilient growth in entrepreneurship, unraveling strategic insights vital for any bustling entrepreneur in today's dynamic landscape. The journey begins with a vision, a lighthouse guiding the ship through tumultuous seas. This vision forms the core of entrepreneurial resilience. Successful entrepreneurs nurture their vision with a blend of passion and pragmatic foresight. The first secret is to remain steadfast yet flexible. A clear vision acts as the North Star, but being too rigid can stifle growth. Adaptive strategies, informed by market feedback and evolving trends, pave the path to enduring success. Next, we explore the crucial role of building robust networks. Establishing a resilient business often relies on the strength of collaborative relationships. Networking, therefore, isn't just a transactional activity. It's about creating a community of support and resources. For entrepreneurs, mentors provide invaluable guidance, while peers share lessons only learned through experience. These connections not only offer practical assistance, but also boost morale, providing a lifeline during challenging times. Equally important is the notion of embracing failure as a stepping stone rather than a setback. Many celebrated success stories are built on the foundations of past failures. Resilient entrepreneurs view every misstep as a learning opportunity, a chance to fine-tune their approach and emerge stronger. Cultivating a growth mindset encourages innovation and adaptability, transforming potential roadblocks into pathways for growth. Financial acumen cannot be overstated in the roadmap to resilient growth. Sound financial management lays the groundwork for long-term viability. Entrepreneurs must balance ambition with prudence, ensuring that growth strategies are aligned with financial realities. Regular assessment of cash flow, monitoring of financial metrics, and strategic investment decisions are all integral components of a resilient financial foundation. Furthermore, leveraging technology is a linchpin in navigating the entrepreneurial landscape today. Savvy entrepreneurs utilize technological advancements not only to enhance operational efficiency, but also to expand reach and foster innovation. In an era where digital transformation is paramount, being tech-savvy equips businesses to adapt swiftly to change, positioning them favorably in the competition. As we conclude, the tapestry of entrepreneurial success is woven with threads of vision, networking, learning from failure, financial wisdom, and technological prowess. Resilience is not merely about bouncing back from setbacks, it's about forging ahead with renewed vigor and insight. Armed with these secrets, entrepreneurs can unlock sustained growth and lay claim to the enduring success they seek. In this continual journey, resilience isn't just a trait, it's a strategy, a mindset, and most importantly, the key to unlocking the full potential of entrepreneurial ambitions.